shit! Hey! Back up! Back up, nigga! Get the fuck out, boy! Fuck you! Fuck you now! Fuck you, nigga! Get out! Nigga! Get over here now! Fuck!
It's alright, bro.
You alright, man?
Yeah.
Sorry, bro. I'm pretty up right now.
Alright, bro.
That's all fucked up.
Alright. You okay?
Yeah. Sorry, brother.
Alright, bro.
Really sorry.
It's okay.
You need to fucking stop! This light scared you.
Sorry, bro.
It's really not normally.
No, I know. It's cool. You alright? You need some money?
I guess. Sorry.
Huh?
Sorry.
It's alright, bro. Here.
Oh. Sorry, man.
Sorry, bro. It's no big deal. He's protecting you. Look, he's cool now. Look at him.
The light scared him, bro. I'm sorry.
Oh, God. Look, he's calm now. Sorry about that. It was the light. Alright. Sorry, brother. It's alright. It's cool, dude. He's okay now. Hi, Tari. He's calm now.
Yeah. It scared him, bro. He was just,
Yeah, I know. It scared me too, bro. Oh.
I should have had a hold of him. I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's alright. It's the light, right? I'm sorry, brother. Sorry about that. Alright, man. You good? You cool? Alright. Alright, it's the light. Whoa. It's my fault. It's my fault. Whoa, that brought something out at me, dude. Whoa. Oh God.